Hey there and welcome to RV Gear and Far. I'm Joshua. So this trailer wasn't our first RV. We've had a few pop-up campers before we purchased it. So I already had this figured out, but realized that becoming an RV owner, you're also signing up to become an RV maintainer, or at least a maintenance scheduler. There's quite a bit of regular maintenance that is required to properly maintain an RV. And it's not a question of if something will break, but when it will break. YouTube is a great resource for teaching yourself how to maintain and fix your RV. Most manufacturers post videos about their components and systems as well. Just remember, anyone can post anything online. Do your due diligence and source information from multiple reliable sources. Does it sound like I'm suggesting that you question my videos? Absolutely. Absolutely. I do a ton of research before posting, but I'd rather you watch 2 or 3 more videos from the manufacturer or other reliable creators and spend some time thinking critically before making any decisions on how to tackle a DIY project for your rig, a gear purchase, or attempting to do a repair on your own personal RV. Now, as an RV owner, you can also get additional training for your RV. Lippert has their RV Owners School. You can take in-person or online trainings through the National RV Training Academy or through the RV Technical Institute. And if you find yourself in a situation beyond your capabilities or your comfort level, you can always hire a mobile or virtual technician too. RV Help, RV Fix, and RVTI's locators are great resources that offer everything from virtual diagnosis, mobile dispatch or assistance from a nearby dealer service center or scheduling with that service center. In support of becoming an RV maintainer, the minute you become an RV owner, I'd also suggest that you create a well-rounded toolkit to keep with you while you're adventuring. You need to be prepared for things to break because they will break, and having simple tools and some extra supplies will really keep the adventure rolling instead of coming to a standstill.